Everything we knew about software changed in one moment, and most people missed it. OpenAI quietly launched a ChatGPT App Store, instantly available to 800 million users. Apps that talk back. Imagine watching a Coursera lesson. You pause, ask ChatGPT to explain something, and it knows exactly what part you're looking at. No rewinding, no searching. This is computing without friction. Apps don't open anymore. They appear inside your conversations. Spotify builds your playlist. Figma edits your design. Zillow shows you homes you're literally pointing at. All powered by MCP, the Model Context Protocol, the new backbone of the internet. The Zillow Moment type: show me 3-bed homes under $500K in Pittsburgh. Zillow loads inside ChatGPT. You click a house, ChatGPT instantly understands the exact listing and answers your questions. This isn't text input, this is context-aware computing, the new gold rush. Next, OpenAI announced the Agentic Commerce Protocol, meaning AI agents will soon sell services, upgrades, and tools directly inside ChatGPT. The 2008 App Store changed millions of lives. This one launches with 800 million customers on day one. Agents for Everyone OpenAI revealed Agent Kit, including Agent Builder Connector Registry Evals Chat Kit. Someone built a full working AI agent with logic, search, scheduling in 8 minutes. This isn't coding, this is software composition. Example: the Mood DJ. We can now create a Mood DJ's agent that listens to your mood and pulls matching music from Spotify, complete with mood analysis, DJ personalities, playlist widgets, and UI, in the time it takes to make coffee. CodeEX, your engineering partner. CodeEX is a new model trained for real engineering work. It fixes bugs, reasons deeply, and can run autonomously. At OpenAI, it already handles most engineering tasks. 70% more PRs merged. Hundreds of bugs caught daily. Massive productivity gains. It's like watching an intern become a senior engineer overnight. Voice changes everything. GPT Realtime Mini brings instant, natural, human-like conversations. No lag, no robotic pauses. Voice will soon be built into everything. Sora 2, video reinvented. Sora 2 can turn sketches into full animations, extend videos, or rewrite scenes. This is the early stage of AI-first filmmaking.